Yan, good afternoon, Tito Doc here. Takbo tayo 2 hours. LSD ngayong Sabado. Let's go. Okay, 5 minutes warm up tayo. Let's go. Pause muna natin. Kilego, sakto. Let's go. Back to run. Grand Stoic tayo ngayon. So for today's quote is by Marcus Aurelius. So ang quote natin ngayon, it is disgrace in this life when the soul surrenders first while the body refuses to. Yes, ang daming pwede makarelate. Even as a runner, as a veterinarian, as a human being also, no? So nakakalungkot, nakakahiya pag ang ating kaluluwa ay unang give up kaysa sa katawan natin. Meron yung mga taong nabubuhay lang to keep living, to keep existing, but not living. So, touchdown, Baywalk. Okay, touchdown, Lighthouse. Diyan muna tayo kay Mang Rolly. Good evening.
Good evening. 45 Doc.
Pocari for electrolytes. Oh, guwapo. Bye-bye. KM done. 2 hours, MAF 180. Nakapakain tayo isang pusa. One straight, one story, one fade at a time.